The Galaxy A73 5G model moves a step closer to launch as it finally pops up on Bluetooth for certification. Oh yes, of course, the normal Bluetooth we know. Every smartphone goes through this to get certified before it comes out on the market for purchasing. In today's video, we'll be looking at what we've seen so far about the device and what is expected to come on with the Galaxy A73. I'm DELPPY. Welcome to Bytes Unlocked. Now, it's time to unlock some bytes. So as stated earlier, we'll be starting with what we've seen so far, beginning with the display. Now this is going to come with a 6.7-inch 120Hz FHD Plus display. Of course, the Galaxy A72 didn't have 120Hz, instead it came with a 90Hz, so that is an upgrade, let me say that, on the Galaxy A73. Moving on, we'll look at the processor, which is going to come with the Snapdragon 750G chipset, because of course this device will come with a 5G modem. Now I'm hoping that Samsung doesn't do what it did this time around to create a specific 5G model and a 4G model for the devices this time around. Other features include Android 12 with One UI 4.0, 128GB of internal storage as the baseline model, with hopes of getting a 256GB or even a 512GB of internal storage with 8GB of RAM. Take a look at the camera, which is a big upgrade from the A72 this time around, because the primary camera lens on the Galaxy A73 is rumored to come with a 108MP lens, coupled or as a quad camera setup. It will also come with a 8MP telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra wide angle lens, and then a 5MP lens for macro shots. Again, they did not include a depth sensor on the Galaxy A73. That is if the rumors are clear. I'd like to add that the cameras on the device will allow you to film or shoot up to 4K at 30fps. That is also a feature that is available on the Galaxy A72. I personally don't find myself using it a lot because one, it has a heavy toll on battery life, and two, the phone kind of heats up when I try using that for longer periods of time. And again, I mean, the videos I'm recording wouldn't be watched in 4K by most of the people I know. So that's just by the way. Yeah, I know you're watching this in 360p or maximum 720p, or even 480, but that's fine. It will come with a 32MP front-facing selfie camera for selfie shots, which will also record video of up to 4K at 30fps. Now let's take a look at the other sides of the device, starting off with the battery capacity. Just like its predecessor, the A73 will be coming with a 5000mAh battery capacity and 33 watts fast charging. I'd like to add that there wouldn't be a headphone jack on the Galaxy A73, and there would probably not be a charging break in the device, so you should prepare for that, because it's rumored that most of the entry-level smartphones and mid-range devices Samsung will be providing this year might not come with a charger in the box. You're also going to get an optical fingerprint scanner, just like we did have on the Galaxy A72, and basically a USB Type-C charging port and a stereo speaker system. I'm very proud I still own this device and haven't done anything bad to it in a long while. I'm using this device without a screen protector, but in a case because I have some scratches at the back. And that is a feature I think Samsung should work on, because the cases tend to scratch the rear side of the device for some reason, and I don't know why. So I'm probably hoping that the rear side would be a very great finish this time around. I'm DELPPY, by the way. Thanks for watching this video. If you watched up to this point, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and hit the bell notification icon. I will be coming your way with more rumors and leaks on the Galaxy A series, and hopefully get a hands-on review unit for the Galaxy A73 as well once they launch or they land. I'll see you in another one. Stay safe. Peace out. And don't forget to subscribe and stay healthy on the side. Hey, yeah, I forgot to add, my dad gave me a table. That's cool, right? My dad gave me a new table. Big shout outs to that guy.